So I'm just now starting to get some colour on this sea scene. There's the water splashes we made yesterday. So in here I've just got a bit of black, a bit of phthalo blue and some watered down acrylic primer. So all I do is just go in where I want it dark, add a bit more black if you want it darker, and then blending it so it becomes lighter. And just blend it all in together. Different shades, different colours. I like to do it darker at the bottom at the troughs and then bring it up lighter as we come to the peaks. Bit more blue on that bit, I think. And you can add a dash of water just to blend it in. Really scrub it in. There's the colours again. Black, blue, bit of watered down grey primer just to get the different shades. Lighten that up a bit. Gone a bit dark there, so just add a bit of neat straight to it. Of course there's going to be white highlights and hopefully the effect of white bubbles underneath the crests. I'll post another video soon. Usual thing, like, share, do whatever you want really. All down below. Bye now.